Embark on a quest for health and wellness, shedding those extra pounds with a game changer in the weight loss and nutrition world, the 310 Shake. This nutrient-rich meal replacement strategy fits seamlessly into your busy lifestyle, eliminating the stress of meal preparation and calorie counting. The 310 Shake is your hassle-free solution to a healthier you. Rest assured, it's crafted from high-quality, FDA-regulated ingredients, prioritizing your well-being. No more sacrificing taste for health, as 310 Shake offers a delicious and nutritious meal replacement that satisfies your palate and supports your weight loss goals. The process? As simple as 1, 2, 3. Just mix, shake, and enjoy a scrumptious on-the-go meal. No more excuses to skip meals or compromise on nutrition when time is short. Ready to make a change and take charge of your health? Your journey to a healthier you starts now. Embrace the 310 Shake difference. Want to delve deeper? Click the link in the description to read a comprehensive review of 310 Shake. Equip yourself with the knowledge needed to kickstart your transformation. Don't miss this chance to revolutionize your weight loss journey. Click the link and discover the incredible benefits of 310 Shake. Here's to a healthier, happier you.